Hi, my name is Marcus Jack. I'm originally from New Jersey, but I'm coming from Atlanta. I have generalized anxiety disorder, which has led to a lot of health problems, irritable bowel syndrome, acid reflux. I have a mold issue in my home, so I suspect that along with other things might have led to brain fog and cognitive issues. One day I was contacted, someone told me about M.E.E.T Ministries. I hadn't heard of M.E.E.T, and they pretty much invited me to come. And so that was my opportunity. And this has been a really amazing opportunity. This is like something I hadn't experienced or seen before. And I'm talking about not only the covering of the spiritual, the mental, and the physical aspects of our being, but the people. It's like well covered. And the people, and I'm talking about the staff, the immediate staff and the extended staff, from the people who are preparing the vegetables, from the lady who's the housekeeping to the cooking staff. It's just something I've never experienced anything like this before. This has been an experience. Just talking about the educational aspect, when I came here, I didn't think there would be much that I would learn because I've been exposed to so much when it comes to health. I've read Ministry of Healing, I've watched documentaries, I've read books, I've been exposed to much. I've been exposed to knowledge of herbs and supplements and the health laws, but I'm just humbled by how much I've learned in the lectures and about diet and about, well, again, spiritual, physical, mental, all the way around. The praying, I've never seen prayer like this in my life. The staff, they are praying folk, and they wrap around and rally around the guests here. And again, I've seen health care settings, I've seen so many different diverse settings, and I've never witnessed something like that. This whole campus is just amazing. Devotionals that we have, I was just talking with some of the staff about the impact of the devotionals, and the staff was talking about how they were impacted by the devotionals and speaking to their wife about the devotionals and how powerful the devotionals are. And so I'm very grateful. Now, with my progress, I know that this is not something, it's not a quick fix, but I will say that my energy levels are different. Before I came here, many times I could barely walk a flight of stairs. I'd be winded from walking a flight of stairs. The most I've walked in the past 5 years was maybe about 2 miles, because I do like an elliptical for 2 miles. I'm averaging over 4 miles a day, and this is just in my own time. My blood sugar levels have declined. They're still on the decline. They've dropped. Energy levels. Oh, one other thing that really stands out is that I've always was achy, especially when I wake up. Achy all over, especially my neck, my shoulders, achy. And so my joints, that's one thing that's standing out in particular, is that my range of motions and my joints, I could jump on the trampoline, stretch, and I'm this soon, which is very surprising. This was very surprising that I'm feeling the benefits of that. I didn't even, that wasn't a goal when I came here. My goal was anxiety, respiratory, a little bit of why maybe my heart rate is going like the way it was, but yeah, this is definitely a place that I would recommend for someone who really wants to take control of regain control of their life and get on a new path. Again, not to a path where you can just do this and then go back to old habits. This is a real lifestyle change. All of this is a lifestyle, and it has been one amazing experience.